Okay, so once you've logged into Adobe, and there should be a little video on how to set up an account, go to the plus button here, then go down to web page, and then it will produce a web page. And then you can type in what you want, put there sort of aviation, if I can spell it, aviation ideas, put a subtitle in, T level. I mean, this is up to you what you want to put. And then scroll down and you have a plus button there. So press on that and it will give you the option to put photos. So for example, I don't know, if I type in Boeing, let's see what we get. I got a plane, so we can put that in. Click that, there we go. So you got a background, and then you can start adding in further details. So can you see photo, text, button, and all I did was scroll down to get that. And when you've finished putting everything in that you want to, just click share, and it will say publish to web. So you can click publish to web, put a title in there, such as aviation project. You can put some details in there if you want to. You can put the author's name. You can see mine is Nicholas Saul, and then you can click create link. Now, if you want to put a password on, of course, you're welcome to, so only certain people can view it. You know that. Create link, and then that will publish a link in a moment. And then once you've got that link, you can add that or send it out to people, and we can look at it. All right. So if you just click copy there, there's the link. And that is it. That's all I want you to do. So it's just another way of you getting, trying to be a bit more creative with your ideas and putting things together. In computing, you have to have a creative mind because you've got a lot of things to think about, problem solving and stuff. So it's another tool to help you. Okay, good luck.